Hey everyone, down here on a Saturday, gonna bleed some brakes on the Cadillac. Just the back, we put a proportioning valve on it, so we had to open up the lines. A little light action in there so I can see. Got a vacuum bleeder. This is something you can do by yourself. I still recommend after you're done with this, you pump bleed the brakes, but this will get them to where they work without anybody else helping. Pretty simple. Get your wrench on the bleeder valve, put this up, put the lever, and it'll start bleeding on its own. Watch for bubbles to come out. This through here, you can see it. Tons of bubbles right now. Start to go solid pretty soon. Close it off. Close the lever. Pretty much that one's all done. Easy as it gets. Alright, when you're bleeding brake, next thing is always start with the one furthest away from the master cylinder, which is usually going to be the passenger rear. Then you're going to want to move to the driver's rear, back over to the passenger side to do the front, and then the driver's front. That'll be the last one. I bled this side. Now I need to go make sure that I've got fluid in the reservoir still. Never want to let that go empty because then you're going to start all over again. So let me do that real quick. Alright, topped off the reservoir. I'm going to move my stuff from this side to this side. We'll get bleeding on that one. If you get brake fluid on anything, clean it up right away. Brake fluid will eat paint. So soapy water works. Don't worry about the rest. Turn your vacuum on. Crack it open. Watch the fluid bleed through. Just for all the air. Once you see a solid stream, close it off and you're done. Sometimes I do this 2 or 3 times just to make sure. Looks like we're good about there. Don't forget to always have your shop supervisor. He doesn't look like he's very happy with me right now. Make sure he knows you're doing a good job. Dinah, what's up, buddy? Need a cookie? Need a cookie? Come here. Don't like that noise? What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? What you doing? Don't want to be on camera? Who's up there? Hey, who's that? Who's that?